Welcome to the best picks. The best glass floor vase is probably one of the most versatile and elegant decorative pieces you can add to your home, instantly elevating any space with its sophisticated charm and ability to showcase your favorite blooms or greenery. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist aesthetic or a more opulent display, a well-chosen floor vase can serve as a stunning focal point, transforming an empty corner into a curated vignette that speaks volumes about your personal style and attention to detail. Number 5. CYS Excel Tall Clear Glass Cylinder Vase. Introducing our exquisite tall glass cylinder vase, crafted from crystal clear, hand-blown glass. Its minimalist design offers timeless elegance for any setting. Each vase is meticulously handcrafted, showcasing the unique beauty of hand-blown glass. Minor variations like small air bubbles are natural and a testament to its artisanal origin. Perfect for a variety of uses, it beautifully displays fresh flowers, floating candles, or decorative fillers. Its simple, modern aesthetic complements any home decor. Elevate your weddings, parties, or everyday gatherings with this versatile centerpiece. It adds a touch of sophistication to any event or space. Designed to accommodate pillar candles up to 3 inches in diameter and 12 inches tall, it also holds approximately 12 cups of water. Please refer to the provided scale photo for accurate size representation. Explore our range of sizes to find the perfect fit for your decorative vision. Remember to check the dimensions carefully before making your selection to ensure it meets your specific needs. What we like. This vase is handcrafted for a unique, high-quality feel. Its minimalist cylinder design fits any decor. If you're looking for a versatile vase that can be used for various occasions like weddings or home decor, and appreciate the subtle beauty of hand-blown glass, this is a great choice. What people say. The vase is a beautiful statement piece. It's a good size for a large bouquet. The glass is thick and sturdy. Number 4. WGV Tall Cylinder Glass Vase. Introducing our stunning tall cylinder vase, a versatile piece designed to elevate any setting. Its clear glass construction offers a sophisticated look. Standing at an impressive 26 inches tall with a 6-inch diameter, this vase provides ample space for your grandest floral arrangements or decorative displays. Each vase is meticulously handcrafted, showcasing the beauty of artisanal work. Embrace the subtle variations and air bubbles that make yours truly one of a kind. Perfect for weddings, parties, or everyday home and office decor, it serves beautifully as a centerpiece, candle holder, or even a mini aquarium. Fill it with your favorite flowers, candles, lights, or decorative accents to bring your unique vision to life. The possibilities are endless with this elegant container. Your beautiful vase will arrive carefully packaged, ready to be transformed into a stunning focal point in your chosen space. What we like. Standing at an impressive 26 inches tall with a generous 6-inch width, this vase makes a grand statement. Its durable glass construction ensures longevity. If you need a dramatic centerpiece for large events or a striking floor decor piece, this extra tall vase will undoubtedly impress. What people say. The vase is a beautiful statement piece that adds elegance to any room. It's surprisingly sturdy and well-made, with a thick glass that feels substantial. The wide opening makes it easy to arrange flowers and clean. Number 3. Large Clear Glass Floor Vase. Introducing our stunning 15-inch tall clear glass vase, designed to elevate any room. Its generous size and stable base make it perfect for showcasing your favorite tall blooms. Crafted from high-quality blown glass, this vase boasts thick, durable walls for lasting beauty. The crystal clear finish beautifully displays your floral arrangements, whether fresh or dried. This versatile floor vase seamlessly complements modern, farmhouse, and boho decor. Use it in your living room, bedroom, or entryway to add a touch of elegance. Standing at 15 inches, this large vase creates a beautiful focal point without overpowering your space. Its weighted base ensures stability, even with substantial arrangements. Maintaining its pristine look is simple. The wide opening allows for easy arranging and cleaning, ensuring your vase remains a beautiful centerpiece for years to come. This vase is perfectly suited for pampas grass, eucalyptus, or any tall-stemmed flowers. The narrow neck securely holds stems, creating a visually appealing display. What we like. This vase is specifically designed for floor placement, offering a substantial 15-inch height and a stable, weighted base. Its unique shape is perfect for showcasing large arrangements like pampas grass or long-stemmed flowers. If you want to create a dramatic focal point in your living room or entryway and need a vase that can handle big, bold displays, this is the one. What people say. The vase is a beautiful statement piece, perfect for a large entryway or living room. Its unique design adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. The glass is thick and sturdy, giving it a high-quality feel. Number 2. Deco 79 Recycled Glass Handmade Spanish Vase. Introducing a stunning vase, meticulously handcrafted in Spain. Its unique design adds a touch of artisanal charm to any space. Crafted from recycled glass, this piece is as beautiful as it is eco-conscious. Embrace sustainable style with this elegant addition. Admire the exquisite detail of the wrapped rattan neck. This thoughtful touch elevates its aesthetic appeal, making it a true statement piece. Measuring 6x6x18, it's the ideal size for display. Use it to enhance your home decor and create a captivating visual focus. Bring a piece of Spanish artistry into your home. This decorative item is a testament to quality craftsmanship and timeless design. Weighing just 4.0 pounds, this vase is substantial yet manageable. Experience the quality and beauty that comes from expert Spanish manufacturing. What we like. Crafted from recycled glass in Spain, this vase boasts handmade quality and a unique rattan neck detail. It offers an artistic and eco-conscious touch to your decor. If you appreciate artisanal craftsmanship, sustainable materials, and a distinctive decorative element, this vase will add a unique flair to your space. What people say. The vase is very sturdy and well made, with a thick glass base that prevents it from tipping over. The opening is wide enough to accommodate large bouquets, and the vase itself is tall enough to support tall stems. The clear glass allows the natural beauty of the flowers to shine through, and the simple, elegant design complements any decor. Number 1. Yanwei 1 Large Clear Glass Vase. Introducing a stunningly clear glass vase, perfect for showcasing your favorite flower bouquets. Its tall, elegant design adds a touch of simplicity to any floral arrangement. Crafted from 100% premium glass, this vase is built for durability and ease of cleaning. Its smooth, handmade finish provides a classy and modern aesthetic. With its large opening and long body, this vase is ideal for long-stemmed flowers like roses, lilies, and gladiolus. It provides excellent structure for beautiful arrangements. Brighten any room with a bouquet in this large vase. It effortlessly infuses style and life into your home, complementing modern farmhouse, minimalist, boho, or classic decor. This handmade glass vase is a true piece of art, making it an ideal gift. It's perfect for housewarmings, weddings, parties, or simply to show someone you care. Whether for your living room, dining table, or entryway, this vase enhances any space. It's also a beautiful addition to weddings, offices, and special events. What we like. With its modern round shape and premium glass construction, this vase offers a clean, elegant look. It's a versatile size perfect for various settings and flower types. If you're seeking a stylish, easy-to-maintain vase that complements contemporary decor and adds a touch of sophistication to any table or shelf, this is an excellent option. What people say. The vase is a beautiful addition to my living room, with its unique textured glass design. It's surprisingly sturdy and holds a good amount of water, perfect for larger bouquets. The color is a lovely deep blue that really stands out, even without flowers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.